Hey, what is up, YouTube? I haven't really done much with the Silverado in a while. I saw a guy drive by the other day, had the same truck as me, but he had one of those tailgate lights on the back, and I thought they were pretty cool. So I ordered them. They weren't too much. I got them on Amazon. I was just going to plug it in. It does come with a plug where you can just plug it into the 4-pin wire plug here for your trailer. But the problem with that is that it leaves it wide open to the elements. So, you know, I live in Western New York. There's a lot of salt from them plowing the roads and everything. So I decided I was just going to wire it in. I just went online. I looked up the wiring diagram for that plug there. The taillight kit comes with a wiring diagram as well, so you just have to match them up. I'll include a picture of the wiring diagram. Wasn't too hard. I just used a few of these wire connectors when I figured out which color was which. There's 3 connections down behind the plug. So there's a plug on the back of here. You have to pull a white, if you have the same truck as mine. Chevy has like this little white clip that you have to pull out first before you can actually pull that off the back of here. Then you just squeeze it, pull it off. I did some testing just to make sure the wiring diagram that I found online was accurate, and it was. I believe the yellow is for the left turn signal, the green's for the right turn signal, the white is for ground, and the brown is for your running lights. So I just clipped them all in, wired them up, no problem. So in order to run the LED light for your reverse light, you just have to pull off these 2 screws here. You have to just pull it back and it'll pop out, and I found the 2 wires that go into the reverse light, and I just tapped into the green one because that's your hot. Okay, so we're behind the hitch plug, and you can see that little white clip on the side I was talking about. So you have to pull that out, and then you can pull the plug out. Then I did all the wiring. Wasn't too hard. Here's the running lights. Pretty cool. There's the left turn signal, and there's the hazards. And then the courtesy lights after you get out of the vehicle and shut it off. It's white color. And it's super bright, so you can see behind you if you have to. That's pretty cool. So that's pretty much it, guys. It probably only took me maybe an hour or so to install it, to wire it and everything. Cheap little add-on to the truck. Like I said, I saw another guy do it on his. It looked pretty cool, so I figured I'd copy him. But there you go, guys. All right, appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you later.